Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna share my hair care routine. Yes, you heard it right. I'm gonna share my hair care routine and some tips and tricks which I follow to keep my hair healthy and nourished. So if you are interested in knowing all the products and all the tricks, just keep on watching. So my hair care routine starts with detangling my hair. So that's the first thing that I do. I detangle my hair completely, and while doing that, I make sure I'm moving from bottom to the top. In this way, the tangles don't get compound on the ends and there is less damage as there is less friction. So always make sure that you start from the ends. Even when your hair is wet, you want to start from the end and then move towards the top of your head. Once you have detangled all your hair, it's time to oil them. I use the In Our Nature Almond Hibiscus Deep Conditioning Hair Oil. I like to double boil the oil for 1 minute and then using a cotton ball, I apply the oil to my scalp. The cotton ball helps to apply the oil evenly. I go in sections and then cover the entire scalp from front to the back. And now coming to the important part, which is massaging. So you want to massage the area 8 fingers above your eyebrows as shown in the video. You want to massage that area properly, and then another important point to massage is 12 fingers above the eyebrow. So as we age and many other factors contribute in lesser and lesser blood flow on the top of our head. So massaging this area really helps with the blood circulation in that area and also helps with new hair growth. And also the point above the 4 fingers on the nape of your neck really helps with the blood circulation. Not forgetting the ends as they need more love. Make sure you coat all the hair nicely and evenly with the oil. Now you want to tie them in a bun, and you want to make sure it's not too tight, and wear a shower cap or don't, it's up to you. I wear it because the heat helps the oil penetrate deeper in the hair follicles, and that's what I've read, so I do that. And after 1 hour I shampoo my hair using the Eba Black Seed shampoo. Also making sure you mix the shampoo with some water before applying onto your hair, and then I rinse and then follow it up with the conditioner from the same range, but only on the ends and not the scalp. So you don't want to apply any conditioner on the scalp. Now I alternate between the conditioner and the hair mask that I'm showing on the screen right now. This is the new one which I've got from Flossom, and it's a decent mask which smells amazing, and I have only used it once, so I will let you know my final thoughts later because there's only one time I've used it and I don't want to judge the product so soon. So I'll be giving up my review really soon. Now after hair wash, I use an old t-shirt to dry my hair. You don't want to use a regular towel as it can dry your hair more and it can create frizz. So I believe using an old cotton t-shirt or a microfiber cloth works best to dry out your hair. And also one more thing I forgot to mention is that I wash my hair once or twice a week these days. I don't wash it too often, and after that I use argan oil, and this one is from Lavish, and this is the only one I have tried and it's a good one. I apply it only on the ends when the hair is damp and then let my hair air dry. I don't blow dry my hair, and I only heat style my hair with straightener once a week. So yeah, that's about it. That was my hair care routine. So I hope you guys liked this video and found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below your thoughts about it, and I would love to hear them. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.